In this tutorial video, we'll show you how to replace and reset the filter in your ROPOT-Travel reverse osmosis drinking water system. Please prepare one ROPOT-Travel replacement filter and the filter wrench provided with the original unit. The filter indicator displays the remaining filter life by color changes: white for 90% life, orange for 10% life, and red for 0% life. When the light turns red, it's time to replace the filter. Before replacing the filter, ensure that the system is unplugged to cut off the power supply. Turn counterclockwise to remove the filter housing cover. Use the filter wrench to twist the expired filter in the counterclockwise direction, then pull it out. Use the filter wrench again to push down and twist clockwise simultaneously to insert the new filter. Twist clockwise to secure the filter housing cover. Plug in the power supply. Now the lifespan of the filter needs to be reset. Locate the Reset button at the back of the mounted water outlet. Long press the Reset button and the water making button simultaneously for 5 seconds. The new filter needs flushing 3 times to complete the filter replacement. Fill the water tank to the maximum and place it back on the system. Tap the water making button to let the water automatically run through the system. Pour out any remaining water from the water tank and bottle once a flushing cycle ends. Repeat the flushing 3 times to rinse out the protective liquid and activated carbon particles in the new filter. Please note that the water is not drinkable during the flushing process. The water making button unlocks after 3 flushing cycles. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the filter. Your ROPOT-Travel system is now ready to provide you with pure, healthy drinking water once again.